Do I look like a Raggedy Ann? Hello, boys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, mechanics in between. Today we are fixing Austin's exhaust because he's got multiple exhaust leaks and people don't know how to weld, apparently. So I'm going to be using this nifty difty steel stick JB Weld, but I've used this before and this is the... With this, I'm not going to do it because it'll start to set. You've got two different colors and you just like meld it together with your hands and the warmth of your fingers until it's a gray color. We already have our exhaust leaks marked off. We've got, that's about it. Everything's marked off and ready to go. Right?
Right.
Right. All right. So we're going to crawl up under this truck now. Should have gone the other way.
Why don't you?
I'm going to need a light down here.
Well, I know that.
Okay.
You stuck?
Nope. I'm at the wrong end of the truck. Oh.
Hi, Jack. Hi, buddy.
You coming up under here?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm only doing a little bit at a time. This stuff is yucky. It stinks. Now this stuff is specifically made for steel. You are going to want to clean your muffler pipes from all the dirt and rust and grossness.
They're brand new, so.
Yeah, but these ones are brand new. We just put these on. Well, we didn't. Some idiot at work did, but yeah. And they didn't know how to weld. So now I gotta fix it. Okay. Is this good? I can't see it.
Just turning your fingers a color.
It's supposed to. Okay. Dark gray is what you're supposed to get. Like that. Starting to set up already. Okay. I'm going to take my little marker off. I'm going to take a little piece.
Do you want me to turn the vacuum on?
Oh yeah, we have the vacuum in the muffler so that I can feel any type of air. No, I don't. Not right this second.
It'll suck it into the crack.
I don't want it to suck it into the crack. I'm wanting to cover the crack. And then you mush it into it like a professional. Mushes everything. And I need some more. Look at that. Now I can see too. There we go. There's one hole covered. I'm not doing that big hole yet. I'm going to go over here. Oh, this hurts my neck. Alright, yeah, I need you to turn the vacuum on.
This is like Play-Doh for adults.
Yeah. Alright, now I gotta get the big one. Where?
Try to see if it gets sucked. It's getting sucked in up here on top.
Huh?
It's getting sucked in right here.
Okay, hold on.
I was just trying to help you. I didn't know if you could see it.
Where? Oh my god. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you fix a leaky exhaust. See you guys next time. Bye.